The Greek government says rail traffic will resume gradually from next week, more than 3 weeks after the deadliest train crash in Greece's history. 57 people were killed when a passenger train and a freight train collided head-on at the end of February. Louisa Pilbeam reports.
57 people died here, many of them teenagers and young people with their lives ahead of them, in what was the worst train crash Greece has ever seen. How could this happen? The question bringing thousands of people onto the streets of Greece. Among the protests, this in Athens, 12,000 people angry and demanding this never happens again on the country's railways. They're afraid of a government cover-up and say the country's rail infrastructure is old and dangerous. A week ago, these protests in the capital turned violent, Greek police using tear gas. Passenger and freight services on the route linking Athens and the northern city of Thessaloniki have been halted since the crash between the passenger train and freight train on the same piece of track 2 weeks ago. The Transport Minister has confirmed the route will reopen gradually next week. 4 railway officials have been charged over the disaster, but more protests are planned. On Thursday, flights to and from Greek airports will be grounded as air traffic controllers join a 24-hour nationwide strike over the crash, which many feel was a disaster waiting to happen. Louisa Pilbeam, BBC News.